The Rockford Fosgate R500X1D is a hugely popular budget monoblock amplifier, often recommended for entry-level subwoofer setups. But before you commit, there are hidden problems you need to be aware of. Today on Auto and Moto, we're exposing the real-world issues with the R500X1D that most people don't talk about. First, true power output is inconsistent. Although the R500X1D is rated for 500 watts RMS at 2 ohms, real-world tests show that actual output can vary depending on voltage conditions and installation quality. If your vehicle's electrical system isn't strong, you may not get anywhere near that full rated power. Second, thermal management under stress is limited. The amp uses a basic heatsink without advanced thermal control features. During extended high-output sessions, it can overheat, leading to thermal protection kicking in, dropping output, or temporarily shutting the system down when you need it most. Third, build quality is not as rugged as you might expect from Rockford Fosgate. While the amp feels solid, internal component quality is budget-oriented. Long-term users have reported failures like blown power supplies, weak solder joints, and degraded capacitors, especially in high-heat environments or poorly ventilated installs. Fourth, tuning controls are very basic. The R500X1D offers standard low-pass filtering and a bass boost, but it lacks more refined options like a subsonic filter or more precise gain overlap settings. This makes it harder to fine-tune the system for clean, distortion-free bass, especially when pushing subs near their limits. Fifth, it's not ideal for future upgrades. If you plan to upgrade to a higher-end or multiple subwoofer setup later, the R500X1D quickly becomes inadequate. You'll outgrow its power limitations fast, meaning you'll have to replace the amp sooner than you might expect. Sixth, competition at this price point is fierce. Brands like Scar Audio, MVX, and even Alpine offer amps with either better true power delivery, superior cooling, or more advanced tuning features for similar money, making the R500X1D less of a standout value today than it was a few years ago. In conclusion, while the Rockford Fosgate R500X1D is fine for simple, budget-friendly builds, hidden issues in real-world power, thermal stability, tuning flexibility, and long-term reliability make it a risky investment for demanding bass lovers. For more professional car audio reviews and honest system advice, subscribe to Auto and Moto.